And tonight we're hearing from a Denver native who is hunkering down tonight, bracing for the storm at his home in Tampa.
Yeah, Fox 31's Kasha Carriage spoke with him before. He expects to lose power tonight. Kasha.
Erica and Jeremy, one thing about Coloradans is we don't typically have to worry about hurricanes, but for one Denver native now living in Florida, he's learned all the tips and tricks for staying safe during the natural disaster.
It's hectic. There's lots of unknowns, what's going to happen, and so kind of a big mass panic.
A lot of unknowns as Hurricane Milton crosses into Florida.
All of our friends in the area, they all evacuated because they were in flood zone.
But Denver native Keaton Thames, his wife Ashley, and their 2 dogs are staying put for now, a mile and a half north of the bay outside of the flood zone.
Typically in newer houses, they are pretty much all concrete and all of our windows are hurricane proof, I think up to like a category 4.
With shutters on all of their windows and bathtubs full of water.
Using that bath water so we can flush the toilets. Putting like water bottles in the freezer so that they freeze and are kind of like ice packs.
But as their neighborhood is still cleaning up the mess of Helene a few days ago.
Not all of that debris was picked up leading up to Hurricane Milton. So we still have piles of debris on the road. That likely is just going to turn it into like missiles, essentially.
The couple has learned a thing or two after now living through Hurricanes Ian, Irma, and Helene.
Yeah, I think the first one, we were freaking out. As you get more accustomed to them, you see that everybody else is typically more calm, and that kind of gives you a little bit of reassurance.
Now, the couple told me they are preparing to lose power, but they are ready with non-perishable food for the next few days. Reporting in the newsroom, Kasha Carriage, Fox 31.
Yeah.